أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم my name is Abdurrahman and I am foundation level student at Royal School Sanat का मैं सोल जैसे हम जाते हैं टेस्टों के साथ आते हैं और ये हम एक टेस्टों के साथ हैं चलिए शुरू करें, जिसका टॉपिक है the the first 20 hours how to learn anything in. So let's start in the next of the first 20 hours how to learn anything in this powerful and a pawning talk. Josh Kaufman shared his a simple yet the life and changing and messy don't need to spend years mastering something new with just 2 seconds. Hours and of practice you can learn any skill and became surprisingly good at it. He explained also how to break big goals into small break pots and remove and discretion and detect time with intention whether you want to learn coding a new language or improve your confidence. The secret is to start now and stay constant this talk. Remember, use that perfection is not the goal, and progress is with the talk in good English and Urdu and describe how you can transform your learning and journey today. So, विद्यार्थी आज हम टाटा स्टॉक उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको अच्छा लगे मैं देखिए टाटा स्टॉक तब तक के लिए इजाजत अल्लाह हाफिज पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद रेहान स्कूल जिंदाबाद